Oh Lord, I never thought that I'd be given so much power. If the world only knew that I was the one that was keeping it safe. And anyone that holds this magic fidget spinner is granted 3 prayers that last for the whole day. So Lord, my first prayer is please stop all the wars in the world for this whole day. And my second prayer, Lord, is that SuperJade will help everyone in distress. And Lord, my third prayer, and please forgive me, that my husband will remember to bring me some chocolate home tonight after work.
Get in here, you! Get in here! Come on!
What are you doing?
Tell me where it is. Stop struggling!
Tell you where what is? What are you
Stop
talking
struggling
about?
or it'll be all the worse for you. Tell me where the magic fidget spinner is. My psychic powers say it's in this room. Somewhere.
Oh, well, I'm never going to tell you where it is, even if you torture me.
In that case, this is the most smelly thing you've ever seen in your entire life. 1,000 times more potent than any stink bomb you've ever heard of. It contains...
No, that's impossible.
Oh.
Nothing can stink that bad.
Oh, it's possible. It contains 33-year-old Old Spice, 35-year-old Brute 33, chili powder, all mixed up together with Thames water.
Oh my gosh, that's horrendous.
Isn't it, Jack?
You'll never get away with it because I've already sent up a prayer to SuperJade and she will help anyone in distress.
Oh, I'll be long gone by the time she gets here. Tell me!
Oh!
Or I'll make you drink it!
Oh, okay, alright, stop. I'll tell you where it is.
Where? Oh no, it's SuperJade! Oi! Oh, nuts! Oh!
Let's see who you really are, masked man.
Oh, it's that dodgy Mr. Vile, the psychic car dealer.
Do you know him?
Yeah, he sold me a Volkswagen Golf 2 years ago, which blew up 100 yards from his shop front when I bought it.
You've ruined my plans, SuperJade. Every day I was going to wish that I had all the money in the world. And then I was going to pray that everyone bowed down and worshipped me as a god. And then everyone's been hit by slaves. I could have ruled the world!
Oh, that's a shame, because the only thing that you'll be ruling for the next few years is a prison cell.
How can I ever repay you, SuperJade, for saving that magic fidget spinner from being used for evil?
Oh, you just keep praying for me, Lisa, and I'll carry on protecting the world. And maybe you could even ask your husband to get me a bar of chocolate, because even superheroes deserve treats.